Unit 1 topic is classification of materials and introduction of rocks or introduction of stones. What is the importance of materials? All civil engineering structures are composed of materials. Economy of a project, of any civil engineering project like building, dams, roads, depends on economy of materials used besides other components. Generally, material cost constitute 30 to 55% or more of total cost. Now, classification of materials. Broadly, the materials for construction can be broadly classified in three groups. First is cementing material. In this category, materials are lime, cement, mortar, etc. Mortar is a mixture of cement and sand, or lime and sand means binding material plus fine aggregate. Second one is protective materials. Under this category, materials are, first one is paint, varnishes, plaster, etc. And third one is solid materials. Solid materials are stones, bricks, iron, timber, etc. Now is materials and their performance. In general, engineering materials are broadly classified in 8 groups on the basis of performance. First one is group A. In group A, materials are rocks, soil, stone and aggregate. Aggregate used in road work and used in concrete. Group B, in this group, clay products. Clay products are bricks, tiles and terracotta. Group C, in this category, material is lime. Lime is a product obtained by burning limestone. Limestone means calcium carbonate or CaCO3. Lime used for various purposes as whitewashing, plastering of walls, as lime mortar with sand for pointing, as lime mortar with surkhi. Surkhi just like a sand. With surkhi used masonry walls. Masonry means brick masonry and stone masonry, and also used in foundation, etc. And fourth is group D. Group D materials, cements. Cement manufacturing or cement obtained by burning of crushing the stone containing clay. Clay means argillaceous material. In cement, argillaceous material of clay part is 20 to 40%, and carbonate of lime and some amount of carbonate of magnesia. Carbonate of lime means lime. This is the material of calcareous. So cement manufacturing, basically cement manufactured by two materials: argillaceous material. Argillaceous material means clay, and calcareous material. Calcareous material means limestone, and some amount of carbonate of magnesia. Cement is used for all construction work. Nowadays, cement replaced the lime, and cement is mostly used. Group E. In this category, material is mortar. Mortar is a plastic material or plastic mixture of binding material. Binding material means like cement, lime. Cement and lime is binding material. Plastic mixture of binding material, cement, lime plus fine aggregate. Fine aggregate means sand. This is the mortar. Mortar used to bond masonry or other structural work. Group F, concrete. Concrete is a mixture of binding material plus fine aggregate plus coarse aggregate and water. Binding material is cement, fine aggregate means sand, and under the category coarse aggregate. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, and coarse aggregate used for all construction works. Group G, timber. Timber is a wood of tree that can be used for building, carpentry, or various other engineering purposes. Group H, miscellaneous materials. Under this category, such as metal, glass, plastic, gypsum, gypsum, gypsum means POP, plaster of Paris. Bitumen used in road work. Asbestos is a very good heat resisting material. Adhesive, laminate, heating insulating material, and sound insulating material. Generally, heating insulating materials are also properties of sound insulating material. Now stones. Stones, very important material of construction work. Stones are obtained from rock. Rock is a natural substance. The stones are obtained from rocks occurring in nature. After the seasoning of rock, the stone is obtained. It is estimated that 3/4 means 75% of land area of Earth or globe is underlain by sedimentary rocks, and the remaining 1/4 or 25% by igneous and metamorphic rocks. So sedimentary rock is widely used in civil engineering construction works. Classification of rocks. First is geological classification. Under this category, first is igneous rock. The inside portion of Earth's surface has high temperature, which causes fusion by heat at even ordinary pressure. The molten material, which form as a result of cooling of magma, is igneous rock. Under this category, rocks or stones are basalt, trap, granite. These all stones, basalt, trap, granite, has high compressive strength. Second is sedimentary rock. Deposition of products as a result of weathering of pre-existing rocks, transported by frost, rain, wind, flowing water. Transported by natural agency. Example: sandstone, chalk, limestone. Sandstone is widely used. Sandstone is under the category of sedimentary rock, and sandstone is widely used in civil engineering work. Third is metamorphic rock. Both the above said rocks means sedimentary and igneous. Igneous and sedimentary rocks change the character when they are subjected to great heat and pressure and become metamorphic. Character change of igneous and sedimentary rock by heat and pressure, that is convert in a new other rock, that is metamorphic rock. Examples: marble, genesis, slate, etc. And this is the classification of material and introduction of rocks. Thank you.